If your SEO strategy is still focused on getting listed on those 10 blue links on Google, then you're falling behind. The game has changed. Your potential customer, especially Gen Z, is skipping Google and going to ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok and the similar other LLMs to find their information. This is not just a change. It's a fundamental shift named Answer Engine Optimization or AEO. And if you ignore this, you will become invisible. Today, I'm giving you my 6 core principles to write content to get listed on Google and ChatGPT as well. At first, let's understand the difference between traditional SEO and the new AI SEO. So, the traditional SEO is focused on ranking on Google's first page, and the new AI SEO, which is named AEO or Answer Engine Optimization, is the strategy to optimize content to be used in AI answers. So that means AI can use your content as the main source. The goal is adapting to new search behaviors and AI platforms. To optimize your content for ChatGPT, you need to understand how ChatGPT finds information. ChatGPT is trained on a massive static dataset. It uses mainly Bing as its main search engine to find information from the internet, and it relies on its trained data's knowledge. After that, let's understand the role of EEAT strategy. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. This is 10 times more important than AI. AI actively seeks signals of trust. It's a fundamental requirement for AI. EEAT strategy helps the AI avoid being wrong. From this, you understand that EAT strategy is the main game to get cited on AI. Now let's understand the core principles AI follows to user content as its main source. So the number one principle is fact-based accuracy. That means the AI ensure all data and facts are verified. The second one is clarity. You can use simple, clear, and conversational language to get cited on ChatGPT and other LLMs. The third principle is logic structure. You have to use clear headings like H1, H2, H3 tags and list. And you can use bullet points or numerical points to structure your content properly. The fourth one is comprehensive topical authority. You have to cover a topic completely and in depth. The fifth one is unique perspective. You have to offer original insights and analysis to show your experience, because experience is one of the main thing in the EEAT strategy. If you do not have any kind of experience on something you are talking about, then no one will believe you and you will lose the trust. The sixth principle is clear intent matching. You have to directly answer to users' query. You can use maybe answerthepublic.com to find out questions that people are asking regarding your topic so that you can naturally answer those questions in your content. Optimizing your content is not enough to get listed on ChatGPT or other LLMs like Gemini and Grok. You have to follow some essential technical fixes. So the first one is ensure your website is indexed. This is the main important thing. You have to index your website and your content page to Google as well as Bing. You can do it through Google Search Console to get listed on Google, and you can use Bing's Webmaster tool to get listed on Bing. And since ChatGPT uses Bing as its main source to scrape internet and find out topics from internet, you must put your content to Bing. The second one is maintain a clear content structure. As I said earlier, you have to use clearly H1, H2, H3 and other heading tags, and you can use maybe bullet points and numerical points to clearly structure your content so that it's easier for AI to get the data it wants. Then the next one is implementing schema markup. AI relies on schema markups to understand what kind of content it is, what's its category, what type it is, and what's the main topic of the content. And the next one is adding internal link. Adding internal link is the most important thing in the traditional SEO era and the AI SEO era as well. Ensuring the technical fixes as well as using an advanced content strategy is the only way you can get listed on both ChatGPT and Google. You have to use AI-powered keyword research and use those keywords to write contents. And you have to focus on becoming the main source of information. And the most important thing is analyzing your competitor strategy. Find out what your competitors and what they're not doing. Here are some examples of the winning content formats. The best alternative format, like you can refer a product as an alternative of another product, like the best alternative for ChatGPT. You can write in-depth how-to tutorials. One of my favorite is comparison between two products. You can show the comparison between, as example, you can write a content like ChatGPT versus Gemini, which AI is the best. These kind of content formats directly answers users' need. And as you know, answering people's question is the best strategy to get listed on ChatGPT, Gemini, and other LLMs because they are answer engines. The bottom line is this: The AI revolution is the biggest marketing opportunity in a decade. While others are ignoring it or spamming with raw AI content, you now have a clear playbook. Stop trying to trick the algorithm and start helping the AI be smarter. When you become the most accurate, authoritative, and structurally clear source in your industry, the AI won't just recommend a source, it will recommend you. If you want more in-depth knowledge about content, then check out this video. Let me know in the comments what AI strategy you are using to get listed on ChatGPT and Gemini. I'll see you in the next video.